नमां विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते राधानाथ स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमां विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशनारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। So Hare Krishna, today we are continuing with chapter 14, that recitation of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 14, the three modes of material nature. श्री भगवान उवाच परं भूय प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानामृतम् यज्ञान्त्वा मुनयः सर्वे परं सिद्धिम् इतो गताः. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Again I shall declare to you the supreme wisdom, the best of all knowledge, knowing which all the sages have attained the supreme perfection. Idam jnanam upashitya mama sadham mama sadharmaya yam agata sarge api nopajayante pralayena vyathanti cha." By becoming fixed in this knowledge, one can attain to transcendental nature like my own. Thus established, one is not born at the time of creation or disturbed at the time of dissolution. Mama yoni mahardam brahma tasmin garbhadadhamyaham sambhava sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. The total material substances called Brahman is the source of birth, and it is that Brahman that I impregnate, making possible the birth of all living beings. O son of Bharata, Sarva yoneshu konteya murtaya sambhav bhavantiya asam Brahma mahadonirham bija Prajapita. It should be understood that all species of life, O son of Kunti, are made possible by birth in this material nature, and that I am the seed-giving father. Sattvam rajastam iti guna prakriti sambhava nibaddhanti mahabhao dehe dehinam avyayam. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion and ignorance. When the eternal living entity comes in contact with nature, O mighty armed Arjuna, he becomes conditioned by this mode. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasha kamanamayam sukha sangena baddhanti Jnana Sangena Chanagha. O sinless one, the mode of goodness, being purer than the other, is illuminating and it frees one from all sinful reactions. Those situated in that mode become conditioned by a sense of happiness and knowledge. Rajoragatmakam vidhi tushna samga samudbhavam तान्निबध्नन्ति कौन्तेय कर्म संगेन देहिनाम्. The mode of passion is born of unlimited desire and longings, O son of Kunti, and because of this, the embodied living entity is bound to material fruitive action. Tasmatva अजनाञ्जं विधि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादलस्य निन्द्रा तन्निभदन्ति भारत. O son of Bharata, know that the mode of darkness born of ignorance is the delusion of all embodied living entities. The result of this mode are madness, indolence and sleep, which bind the conditioned soul. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajam karmani bharata jnanamavritya tama samade sanjaya tyutata. O son of Bharata, the mode of goodness, condition 1 to happiness, passion condition 1 to fruitive action, and ignorance covering one's knowledge bind one to madness. Rajas tamas चाभिभूय सत्व भवति भारत रजसत्वं तमश्चैव तमसत्वं रजस्तथा. Sometimes the mode of goodness become prominent, defeating the mode of passion and ignorance. O son of Bharata, sometimes the mode of passion defeats goodness and ignorance, and at that time ignorance defeats goodness and other times ignorance defeats goodness and passion. In this way there is always competition for supremacy. Sarva dvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate jnanam yada tada vidya viruddham sattva iti uttata. The manifestation of the mode of goodness can be experienced when all the gates of body are illuminated by knowledge. Lobha pravritti arambha karmana mashama spruha rajas etani jayante vivruddhe bharatharshava. O chief of Bharata, when there is an increase in the mode of passion, the symptom of great attachment, fruitive activities, intense endeavor, and uncontrollable desires and hankering develops. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha eva cha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana. When there is an increase in the mode of ignorance, O son of Kuru, darkness, inertia, madness and illusion are manifested. Yada sattve prabuddhe tu pralayam yati deha bhut tadotma vidam lokan malan pratipadyate. When one dies in the mode of goodness, he attains to pure higher planet of the great sages. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sanghishu jayate tatha pralinastamsi mudhyo nishu jayate. When one dies in the mode of passion, he takes birth among those engaged in fruitive activities. And when one dies in the mode of ignorance, he takes birth in the animal kingdom. Karmana sukruta syahu satvikam nirmalam phalam rajastu phalam dukkham jnanam ajnanam tamasa phalam dukkham ajnanam tamasa phalam. The result of pious action is pure and is said to be in mode of goodness. But action done in mode of passion results in the misery. The action performed in mode of ignorance results in foolishness. Text number 17. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobha eva cha pramado moho tamaso bhavato ज्ञानम 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 इवा च. From the mode of goodness, the real knowledge develops. From the mode of passion, greed develops. And from the mode of ignorance, develop foolishness, madness, and illusion. ऊर्ध्व गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्था मध्ये तिष्ठति राजसा जघन्य गुणवृत्तिस्था अधो गच्छति तामसा. Those situated in mode of goodness gradually go upward to the higher planet. Those in the mode of passion live on the earthly planet. And those in the abominable mode of ignorance go down to the hellish world. नान्यं गुणेभ्यः कर्तारं यद्रा दृष्ट्वानुपश्यति गुणेभ्यश्च परं वेत्ति मदभावं सोऽधिगच्छति. When one properly sees that in all activities no other performer is at work than this mode of nature, and he knows the Supreme Lord who is transcendental to all this mode, he attains my spiritual nature. गुणानेता प्रतीत्यत्रीन् देहि देह समुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्यु जरा दुःखे विमुक्तो अमृतम् अश्नुते. When the embodied being is able to transcend this three mode associated with the material body, he can become free from birth, death, old age, and their distresses, and can enjoy nectar even this life. Arjuna uvacha keralinge satriguna etan अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचार कथं क्षेत्रे क्षेत्रं तृणगुणा अतिवर्तते. Arjuna inquired, "O my dear Lord, by which symptom is one know who is transcendental to these three modes? What is his behavior and how does he transcend the mode of nature?" Shri Bhagavan uvacha प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्ति च मोहमेव च पांडव न द्वेष्टि समुपवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि कांक्षति. उदासीनवदासीनो गुणयो न विचालते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव यो अवितिष्ठति नेङ्गते. समदुःख सुख स्वस्थं समलोष्टास्म काञ्चन तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरा तुल्यनिन्दा मत्संश्रुति मानपमानयोस्तुल्य तुल्यो मित्रा परिक्षयो सर्वारंभी परित्यागी गुणातीत स उच्यते. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "O son of Pandu, he who does not hate illumination, attachment and delusion, when they are present or long for them, when disappear, who is unwavering and undisturbed through all this reaction of material qualities, remaining neutral and transcendental, knowing that the mode alone are active, who is situated in the self and regards like happiness and distress, who is look upon a lump of earth, a stone, and a piece of gold with an equal eye, who is equal towards the desirable and undesirable, who is steady, situated equally well in praise and blame, honor and dishonor, who treat alike both friend and enemy, and who has renounced all material activity. Such a person is said to have transcended the modes of nature." मामच यो अव्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते सगुणान् समीतीतेत्यान् ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते. One who engages in full devotional service, unfalling in all circumstances, at once transcends the mode of material nature and thus come to the level of Brahman. Brahmano hi pratistaham amritasya vyavasya cha शाश्वतस्य च धर्मस्य सुखे से कांतिकस्य च. And I am the basis of the impersonal Brahman, which is immortal, imperishable and eternal, and is the constitutional position of ultimate happiness. Thus end the Bhakti Vedanta purport of 14th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita and the matter of the three modes of material nature. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So today we recited the chapter number 14, the three modes of material nature, in this Purushottam Mass, which is the most auspicious and comes once in a 3 year. So tomorrow we'll recite the chapter number 15 of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.